Okay, let's look at study link 4.3, estimating sums. This is everyday math 4th grade. And this one is a little bit different in the way it's asking you to do this. So first you have to estimate. And if the estimate is greater than or equal to 1,500, find the exact sum. If the estimate is less than 1,500, do not solve the problem. And before we start, let's quickly break down this word sum in case you don't know what a sum is. When you are adding numbers together, the numbers you're adding are called addends. And the number you get is called the sum. So first we need to estimate the sum, and we can do that by rounding to the nearest hundred for these. So 867, we can round that up to 900. And 734, we can round down to 700. And together, the sum we're estimating is 1,600. So if the estimate is greater than or equal to 1,500, find the exact sum. So now we need to add those together. For my class, we are going to solve on the back and show your work, and partial sums is the preferred method. So for my class, we're going to do partial sums almost always, and you can start with the ones place or the hundreds place. It doesn't really matter. Why don't I do ones? 7 plus 4. Give me 11. 60 plus 30 would be 90, and 800 plus 700 is 1,500, and then I have an answer of 1,601. And the next one, again, we're going to estimate first. So this is about 374 is close to 400. 962 rounds to 1,000. 488 rounds to 500. That would give me 1,900. So if it is greater than or equal to 1,500, find the exact sum. So this time maybe I'll do the hundreds place first. 300 plus 900 plus 400 would give me 1,600 in nice, neat columns. Then we have my tens place, 70 plus 60 plus 80, and that is going to give me 210. And then finally, 4 plus 2 plus 8, 14, and then we add them up, and we have our answer. And we can see that the estimate here was very close. Estimate here, close enough. If we're rounding to the nearest 100, it's not going to be an exact estimate, but it's close enough. Okay, next one. If we round 382 to 400, let me get my pen, there it is, and 744 rounds to 700, which is 1,100. However, look at this. If the estimate is less than 1,500, do not solve the problem. So we don't need to solve it. I'm just going to put a dash there. We don't have to solve it. So just remember the estimates, if they are less than 1,500, then you don't have to do it. Okay, so just keep an eye on that as you work through these. And I think the rest of them you should be able to do on your own. You're going to have maybe a crowded back of your paper, so keep the numbers written small, I guess. And then just a little bit of multiplication here, which we've done the last few times. So I think this won't be too bad. Here, 60 times